This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by installing and opening the Outlook app. This puts the official sync engine on your device. Once done, sign in with the exact email address and password for the account you want. If you use two-factor authentication, have that device or code ready. Make sure you grant storage, contacts, and notification permissions so syncing and attachments work. This first action gets Outlook permission to manage messages and calendar entries, and prevents later permission errors that stop sync. You now add the account inside Outlook and choose the correct protocol. Choose Exchange for corporate accounts or IMAP/POP only if instructed. When prompted, enter server details exactly, server name, domain, and security type, because a wrong field blocks authentication. Once authenticated, adjust the sync window and which folders sync to control bandwidth and storage. Make sure calendar and contacts toggle on if you need them. This ensures your meetings and address book appear on Android alongside email. Finish by composing and sending a test message, then confirm an incoming message arrives. This verifies send and receive paths. Enable notifications and customize swipe actions so you process mail faster, and add a signature to outgoing messages. If something goes wrong, start by retyping your password and verifying server settings. Make sure app permissions and battery optimization are not blocking background sync. As a quick fix, clear Outlook app cache or remove and re-add.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.